Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to grade 9 textbook explanation new video. Today we are going to discuss about last video we discussed about identifying the user section. Today we are going to discuss about selection computer to suit users requirement. We discuss about various types of users as well. We already know that according to the user the requirements can be different according to the users. Therefore, when we are going to select a computer, we will have to consider about users requirement according to the users. In this image you can see that there are several types of requirement: graphic designing, editing audio and video material, access internet, preparation of documents, playing computer games. There are several types of requirements. Therefore, according to these requirements, the specification of the computer can be different. As an example, if we want to select a computer for graphic designing, we will have to select a computer with good video memory and large video memory and as well storage capacity. For preparation documents, we can use general computer. As well to access internet, also we can use a general computer with network connection, especially there should be a network connection, wired or wireless network connection. For editing video and audio materials also, there should be a good video card and also high capacity of RAM and also high capacity of hard disk, and processing power is also should be high value. Therefore, according to users requirement, the computers specification can be different. So there are various type of requirements according to the relevant user. Okay, there are two. Basically, we can divide computer in the grade 9. We can divide into two categories: non-portable computers and computers for mobile use. But in grade 10, you are learning other categories also. According to the generation, we can divide computers into various categories as well. According to the use technology, we can divide computers into various categories. But in the grade 9, you are learning two categories: non-portable computers and computers for mobile use. Non-portable computers mean normally we are keep that type of computers in one place, not every time move into here and there. As an example, if we want to use a computer in our home or in our office, we can use non-portable computer. If we want to bring it from place to place, we can use mobile computers such as laptop computers, so else tablet PC, notebook computer, like that. Non-portable computers, normally we are keeping them in one place, but mobile computers, we can bring them into one place to another place, from home to office, office to school, and various type of place. In this diagram, you can see that two categories of computers. There are eight types of computers: laptop, notebook, tablet computer, smartphone, workstation computer, server computer, desktop computer, and all-in-one computer. Actually, these four computers, workstation, server computers, desktop computers, and all-in-one computers, can be considered as non-portable computers. Smartphone, tablet computer, notebook computer, and laptop computer can be considered as portable computers. Workstation can be used for video editing and the tasks like video editing and other tasks like that, gaming for gaming requirement like that. Server computers normally used to give a service in network, such as hosting a website or manage the network and so many things. Desktop computer we can use in office, so our home, to complete our requirement. All-in-one computer is also can be considered as a non-portable computer. Every devices will be connected to the monitor. There is no other we can in the all-in-one computer, there's only the monitor. All devices will be connected to the monitor, not like in just a computer. There is no system unit. All are in the same component. Okay, then after laptop computer, we know that we can use in office, so in the university or in the home or various place, and when we are traveling in a vehicle also, our own vehicle, we can use laptop computer to our to complete our works. As well, notebook computer is also just like a laptop, but a little bit different from laptop, because probably notebook computers will be used for read online ebooks as well for internet access through the laptop computers. We can do several tasks more than notebook computers, more than powerful. Laptop computers are more powerful than notebook computers. As well, tablet computer have a it is also a mobile device. Smartphone is also a mobile device, but tablet computer have a large size of screen than the smartphone. So I think now you have a good idea about portable computers and non-portable computers. These are the portable computers: smartphone, tablet computers, notebook, and laptop computers. According to this diagram, all-in-one computer, desktop computer, server computer, and workstation computers can be considered as non-portable computers. These are the portable computers. These are the non-portable computers. Okay, I think now you have a good idea about selection computer to suit your requirement section. So if you have any doubt, you can use our WhatsApp support service. Especially Ninaro student can totally free use this. Ninaro student can use this service for totally free of charge. As well, other students also can use this service. It's a premium service. But if you join with the Ninaro class, you also have a chance to use that service for free of charge. So, especially as always, I'm giving the reminder. Always, what I have to tell to the Ninaro student is keep in mind these everything, because in the in your Viva test, these things can be asked as various type of questions. So till we meet again with the new video meaning the next video we hope to discuss about computer peripheral device. Till we meet again with the next video, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.